In this guide, I'll show you how to link your account for cross progression in Destiny 2. So, the first thing you want to do is open up a web browser and go to Google. Then, in search, you want to type in Destiny 2 login and go to search. From here, you want to select Account Bungie at the top, which will bring you to this page. From here, you want to sign into your Bungie account with the platform that you're currently playing Destiny 2 on. Once you're signed in, it'll bring you to this page. And what you want to do is select the profile icon in the top right corner that looks like two people, and that'll bring you to this page. Now, what you want to do is scroll down, and on the left sidebar under Destiny, you want to go to cross save. Then you want to select Get Started. Now, it's going to bring you to this user agreement, and I do recommend you have a read through this to understand what cross saving does. And if you're okay with everything, acknowledge the terms and go to Get Started. Now, this is where you're going to see all of the different gaming platforms you can play Destiny 2 on, and currently I have my Xbox account linked to it, but you can also do PlayStation, Steam, as well as Epic Games Launcher. So in this example, I'm going to link to Steam, but you can do any of these platforms. So go to Link Account, then you want to sign into that gaming platform that you're trying to link to. Then it's going to ask if it can link your Bungie or Destiny 2 to your Steam account, and you want to go to Sign In. And then you may have to type in your Steam username and confirm the linking. And now it looks like we have to authenticate the Steam account once more, so I'm going to go to Authenticate, and it's going to open up this window. And you want to scroll down and select Sign In again. Now Destiny 2 cross save or cross progression is set up for both these accounts. If this guide was helpful, like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.